A day at the park. Hello, my name is Emma. I am 9 years old. I live in a small town with my parents and my younger brother Ben. Every Saturday, my family likes to go to the park together. It is our favorite place because we can relax, play games, and enjoy nature. Last Saturday, the weather was beautiful. The sky was blue, and the sun was shining. There were a few white clouds, but it was warm and comfortable. My mother packed a picnic for us. She made chicken sandwiches, apple slices, cheese, and cookies. She also brought bottles of water and orange juice. We left our house at 9 o'clock in the morning. The park is not far from our home, so we walked there. It took about 15 minutes. On the way, we saw many colorful flowers. We also saw people walking their dogs and children riding bicycles. When we arrived at the park, Ben wanted to play on the playground first. He climbed the ladder, went down the slide, and laughed all the time. I played on the swings. I like to swing very high because it makes me feel like I am flying. After that, my father brought a soccer ball. We played soccer on the grass. My father is very good at soccer, but he always lets Ben and me score goals. We laughed every time someone missed the ball. At noon, we sat under a big tree to eat our picnic. The sandwiches were delicious, and the cookies were my favorite part of the meal. While we were eating, we watched ducks swimming in a small lake. Some people were feeding the ducks, but my father told us that it is better not to feed wild animals because some foods are not healthy for them. After lunch, my mother read a short story while Ben rested on the blanket. I walked around the lake with my father. We saw butterflies, birds, and many different kinds of trees. My father told me the names of some birds, and I learned something new. Later in the afternoon, we bought ice cream from a small shop near the park entrance. I chose chocolate ice cream, Ben chose strawberry, and my parents shared a vanilla ice cream. It was cold and sweet, and everyone enjoyed it. Before we went home, we cleaned our picnic area carefully. We put all our trash into a garbage bin because we want to keep the park clean for everyone. My parents always tell us that taking care of nature is very important. We arrived home in the late afternoon. I was tired, but I was very happy. I took a shower, ate dinner with my family, and then told my grandmother about our wonderful day on the phone. I love spending time with my family at the park. We can play, talk, learn new things, and enjoy the fresh air together. I hope we can visit the park again next Saturday.